Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to clone a report in Salesforce Lightning. Cloning reports is incredibly useful when you want to create a new report based on an existing one without having to rebuild everything from scratch, saving you time and effort. Let's start by accessing the reports section. Look to the top left corner of your Salesforce interface and click on the app launcher, which is represented by a waffle icon. This icon opens up your navigation menu and gives you access to all your Salesforce apps and features. Once the app launcher opens, you'll see a search bar along with various app options. Go ahead and search for reports and then select it from the app menu. This will take you directly to your reports homepage where you can view all your existing reports. Now that you're in the reports section, you need to locate the specific report you want to clone, browse through your list, or use the search function to find it quickly. Once you've found it, click directly on the report name. To open it, this will display the full report view with all its data and formatting. With your report now open, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You'll notice an edit button, and right next to it is a drop-down arrow. Click on that drop-down arrow to reveal additional options for managing this report. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Save Apps. This is the key action that allows you to create a clone of your current report while preserving the original. It's essentially making a copy that you can customize independently. A dialog box will now pop up prompting you to configure your cloned report in the report name field. Enter a new name for your cloned report. Choose something descriptive that helps you distinguish it from the original and clearly identifies its purpose. Next, you'll need to decide where to store this new report. Look for the Save in Folder drop-down menu and select an appropriate folder. You can choose from existing folders in your organization or create a new one if needed. This helps keep your reports organized and easy to find later. Finally, once you've entered the report name and selected your folder, click the Save button to complete the cloning process. Your new report is now created as an independent copy that you can modify without affecting the original. And there you have it. You've successfully cloned a report in Salesforce Lightning, giving you a quick starting point for creating customized reports. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.